Tales of the Valiant. I backed the core rulebook, so I hope to be doing a video on that. I have done other videos on this project. Today launches the Game Master's Guide, interestingly enough. It is funded already, basically instantly. I didn't even do anything, but I hope to get it at some point. Now, there is a trailer above. I don't know if this will need to be taken out of the video. I guess we shall see.
All tales need a storyteller. Take your games to the next level with the Tales of the Valiant Game Master Guide. Whether you're building a world from scratch or require mechanics for trekking through ever more fantastical realms, the Game Master's Guide has the tools you need. Ready-built elements encourage you to reimagine your game and raise the stakes for combat, exploration, and social encounters. Discover a robust suite of homebrew tools, complete with massive reference tables that enable the customization or creation of monsters, game mechanics, magic items, character options, and more. Dive deeper with guidance on becoming a better GM, from preparing better session notes to handling all types of players. Be bold, be brave, be valiant. You're going to need all the help you can get. Back it on Kickstarter today.
So it is kind of 5.2, if you know, 5th edition 0.2, slightly improved, tweaked, but in that video, saying about extra crafting and things like that, I am well up for that. So after this video recording, I am going to buy it. I'll put my money down at least. Map folio. God, I love a map as well. So yes, please. I will have that also. There was a little disappointment that it seemed so close to 5th edition, and rather than some masterly overhaul of everything. But I'm really on board with it still. I've not fallen off. So yeah, stretch goals on the way, and their products I am always saying as good excellent alternatives to 5e wizard stuff. They're just a good place to put your money. And so I did download the preview that was advertised there. Let's take a look. Right, lovely cover. Happy with that. Okay, in this preview you'll find a sneak peek. Yes. Let's just go straight to it then. The Game Master's Guide. Ooh, the role of the GM. Yep. How to be a GM. Prepping a session. Prepping a session. That is good. That's not in the DMG. Dealing with player conflict. Scheduling. Surely they don't have an answer for that. Tiers of play, world building, encounter templates, setting and terrain, aerial combat. Wow, underwater combat, multi-phase combat, mass combat. That is exciting. And some variants there. Ooh, and there's more. Let's see. Weather. NPC generator tables could be excellent. Guns, diseases, artifacts, siege weapons, homebrew toolbox. Hey, if they pull this off, this could be the DMG that we use. Because as my live stream I did the other day, probably still available to watch, I went through the entire DMG, and it has some areas that could be improved. Undead templates. This template can be applied to any beast, giant, humanoid, or monstrosity with a skeleton. Maximum circle at will. Circles are like the leveled spells. They've had to reword it. So this just means, like, you know, up to 9th level spells. They're called circles. I know skeletons have vulnerability in official 5e, but I want more of that. I want undead to be vulnerable to radiant, which I just homebrew, but you know, I want that to be official. I want things like that. Counter attack. When it hits a skeleton, it can make one attack back outside of attack of opportunity. So they've stuck with the absolute confirmed hit points rather than the bracket version. That's good for me. Multi-attack with a fist plus 8. Sheesh. Oh, what's this? The giant ape skeleton. That would, yeah, that makes sense. A zombie template. Lovely. Owlbear Zombie got my attention. It can glide. Its perception is 17 when perceiving by sight or smell. The owlbear is resistant to exhaustion and to the frightened condition. Just good. New stuff. New stuff. I like it. When it has 44 hit points or fewer, it roars and barrels through creatures. It moves up to 20 feet in a straight line, or can move through the space of any medium or smaller creature. It's a DC 15 strength save, or 18, but then it does have brackets damage. And bludgeoning damage, and is knocked prone. A bonus action, Rend. The owlbear violently wrenches a player. It is currently grappling for some slashing damage. A lich. Wouldn't that a Dracolich? I suppose, yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's probably, they can't call it that. Okay. Any undead that starts its turn in the area of Aura of Undeath gains 10 hit points. It has a phylactery. A dragon lich gains a new body and yeah, okay. Spell multi-attack. What? Oh, I thought it was doing extra spells. Necrotic Breath. Legendary actions. Gets some minions on its side. The adult red dragon lich. 231 health. Immune to the usual things. Has an aura of undeath. Can save 3 times. Phylactery, usual stuff. Frightful presence. All seems fairly understandable. That is gonna be good. The Monster Vault. So it must be the player's guide I got, but I'm having all 3. Job done. You are pulling me back on side. Tome of Beast books are great. I've got the Deep Magic 1. Oh, tiles. I'm a sucker for tiles. Well, what do you make of that? I, for one, am excited. I can't wait. There will be videos. I will be spending more money. Let me know if you're interested in this. What do you think? And I'll see you later.